ऊपर चले गई बहुत।
ओ समझ गए।
I look so funny when I'm doing makeup. I'm like पूरे करके
मैं झुक रही हूँ, मेरा क्लीवेज दिख रहा है।
You look at her, she's doing it like her. Hi guys, what's up? It's me Aarti. Welcome to a brand new video on this channel and my first ever collab, dude. So guys, that is Gaganpreet, जिसका YouTube channel है which goes by the name of Makeup and Fashion Diaries, and she makes fab makeup tutorials. And I love the content that you make. So I'm so glad that I'm doing this collab with you.
I am so happy.
जिन लोगों को पता नहीं उनको मैं बता दूं, हम लोग नागपुर में एक कॉलेज था जिसको I really don't want to mention, but I'll just mention. Hislop is where we went. I think BA, you were also doing BA, right?
11th, 12th, I was in Hislop, and then I was in Tirupur for my BCom in Tirupur.
Oh, okay. But that's where I know her from. And I am so excited about today's video क्योंकि तुम लोगों को पता है मैंने ये बड़ा ही brand new सा eyeshadow palette recently खरीदा. And I've been so excited to experiment with this. And I was like, rather than me doing, I need a pro. I need somebody who's a pro who takes me through it, वरना वो बहुत ही disaster निकलेगा. तुमने जो instruction दिया उसके हिसाब से I've done my base. Is it, how do you rate my base for an amateur?
Really nice, I would say. So I want you to grab a concealer, whichever you have.
Okay, I have the LA Girl concealer.
Yeah, perfect. And I want you to grab your beauty sponge. So I want you to put 2 dots on your eyelids, like so.
Oh, just 2 dots. Yeah.
So now I want you to grab your sponge and just blend this really nicely.
Oh.
क्या हुआ? नीचे चला गया?
हाँ.
कोई नहीं. Don't worry about any mistakes you make, okay? We can fix everything.
Okay. Okay. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's good. ठीक है. Listen now.
हाँ.
I want you to take a loose powder. Do you have a loose powder?
Yes. I recently bought my first loose powder.
That's nice. So now grab your brush and I want you to dip your brush in your loose powder.
Okay.
Yeah, swirl it around and just tap a little bit, like so.
Yeah.
And just dab it on your eyelids. Okay, so now our eyes are ready for some eyeshadow. Now I think you have limited brushes.
I'll show you what I have. एक सेकंड. See, मेरे पास बहुत बेसिक है. ये नायका का जो नहीं वेगा का सेट नहीं आता वो पूरा ब्रशेस का. So I have this one जिस पे लिखा हुआ है आई शेडो. ये एक्चुअली एक लिप फिलर है, but I feel you can use this यार. ये देख, see, this is a nice पतलू brush and I have no idea what to use this for.
वो तो just throw it away.
I knew it.
Just show me your palette so I'll quickly tell you which one you can
see.
Yeah, very pretty. So the third shade from the top column, yeah.
That one?
So that one, yeah. So just fill your brush with...
Which brush should I use?
Fluffy.
Fluffy, okay.
Yeah. So I'm using this Huda palette. This is their Desert Dust. So I'm grabbing this shade right here. It's kind of the same shade you're picking, right? But a little darker, I believe. See?
Okay.
So I'm just gonna cover my brush with this and just tap off the excess.
This is the one that I'm taking.
Yeah, take it.
ऐसे लिया और फिर I'll just tap it.
Tap it on the hard surface.
Okay.
Yes, perfect. Now what you wanna do is, do you see this crease?
Yeah.
Take your brush like so and put it in the socket of your eye. Once you put that brush there, I want you to do this windshield wiper motion, right?
Ooh.
Listen, the arch of your brow, uske niche yahan pe.
Okay.
Now just do windshield wiper.
This?
Yes, good. Yes.
Nice. Okay. This is fun.
Yeah. And very slight pressure you can apply so that it, very slight, like
हाँ.
Keep your brush in the crease area only. Like don't apply it on your lid. Okay? Just do it. Yeah. Just this.
ओ मैंने lid पे लगा दिया है.
It's alright. Doesn't matter.
This for me is like making some chemistry solution in the lab.
Yeah, it's very subtle right now, but we'll shift to a darker color. It's important that you apply a lighter shade pehle, because then otherwise it's very difficult to blend, you know. You have to keep blending and blending. So you gradually just, you know, darken the color. Something warm tone. See? Yeah, perfect. Tap off the excess, very important. You don't want any extra product because then it will be very blotchy. What you did earlier, put your brush right here. Windshield wiper motion, don't put it on your lid now. Right underneath the arch of your brow, and just don't move your brush. Once you have it locked in the socket, and just do windshield wiper motion. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. Just blend that part. It's looking little blotchy. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Just open your eye, Aarti. Don't close your eye.
Okay.
Maybe arch your eyebrows so that will be easier for you. Yeah, like so.
Okay. ये जो crease line, I have this very definite division in my.
Yeah, that's called monolid. So you have a monolid.
Okay, I didn't even know there are types of lids. Gagan.
So now listen. Be very careful with this one. I don't want you. Just that one, na?
हाँ.
Yeah. Now cover your brush with the color.
मतलब ऐसे dip करूँ ना top से?
May just cover entire thing like
cover
this.
entirely. Like this. Okay. Done.
Like pura cover. Huh. And tap off the excess.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want you to put this here. You can see this V going on.
Yeah.
I want you to dab this color right here and don't drag it anywhere. Just dab it here.
Okay.
Just to you know,
like this.
darken the outer V. See?
Okay.
Good. Keep doing that. Yeah. Put more.
Okay.
Put your brush here and just goal.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Feel like such a pro, man.
Yeah, good. And then flick it outside a little bit.
Okay.
Flick it. So,
Okay.
see? But upward. Don't go downwards. Don't worry, we'll clean that.
Okay.
Don't worry about that. बस. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बाहर करना उसको.
Okay.
And then again keep doing this.
Okay. अंदर की तरफ.
And now you have to kind of merge whatever you've just done. And then also you can do 2-3 windshield wiper motions.
I think थोड़ा खराब है, but.
So I want you to can you see there's this prominent line you can see here? I want you to blend it with your finger. Yeah, pick that same shade, put it right here and swirl it around. Keep the point of the brush at the same place and then flick it. So I want you to use something super shiny in your palette, like very glittery and very shiny.
My favorite part is here. Tell us कौन सा चाहिए हमें color. If you want other kind of glitter, ये हुडा वाले में भी है. 1 second.
Yeah.
Rose goldish है again.
Now wet your finger and then just dab it. Now dip this little wet finger into that shade. No, swirl it around. Yeah. Take a good amount. Look at me here.
अच्छा सिर्फ rub करना है.
But make sure that it's not going in the crease and do it like this. Listen. Yeah. And सिर्फ lid पे crease पे मत जाने देना. Yeah. Good. Keep doing it. We'll blend it. Don't worry. Yeah. Good. And just make sure there are no harsh lines. Just blend it with your finger. थोड़ा सा arch of your brow के नीचे.
Okay.
Now move your finger this side and do like that.
Yeah?
Cool. कोई बात नहीं, but don't apply it ऊपर ना. If you apply then जाएगा ही.
ये अपने आप इनर कॉर्नर में भी लग गया मैजिकली. निकाल देंगे ना.
हाँ, it's okay. See? हाँ, don't come down. ऊपर ही रहना बीच में, वहाँ जहाँ आपका crease है. और ऊपर जाओ. और ऊपर जाओ. और ऊपर.
यहाँ इतना ऊपर है आपके पास.
It's alright. I mean, maybe next time you will be good, but it's perfect for. I want you to do the same thing to your other eye.
It's like a test. जो मैंने सिखाया फिर से करो. I'm like, what did we just do? This I've taken. Now I have to put it from
in your left hand. Yeah, just put it on your lid. Try to just keep it underneath your crease.
गोल गोल था ना.
नहीं, पहले windshield wiper motion. ऊपर.
See, this is why I get confused. तो crease के ऊपर blend करना है, but लगाना नीचे है.
हाँ, because harsh line, we are just smudging that line.
Ooh, got it.
Yes, now you're doing it right.
काफी. My two eyes look different, but ठीक है. हम लोग पहली बार कर रहे हैं, चलेगा. This now.
Now I want you to dip that patla wala brush. So dip your brush little bit into the water. Cover that fully in your shade, the hot pink shade.
Woohoo! Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now just dab. Are you going very ऊपर ना? बिल्कुल सामने लगा यहाँ पे नीचे. ऊपर चले गई बहुत.
Oh, समझ गई.
You've never done this before, so it's alright.
Never.
Okay, now we're gonna take this and run it underneath your lower lash line. This is the tricky one. And just make sure कि पूरा brush आपके eyelid lower lash line पे नहीं लग रहा. Just the tip of the brush you need. Okay. Be very close to your lower lash line. Alright.
Oh, not bad, dude. This looks good actually.
It will look even more better when you apply your black shade, na?
Okay then.
Okay. Now I want you to take this shade and put it यहाँ पे.
Ooh, nice.
Okay, now grab your eyeliner and your kajal.
Listen, we are going to do pink on the eye also, right?
नहीं.
I thought we were doing the pink here. So can't we do any other colored eye? जो सबसे easily add हो सके आपको.
So I think just grab that yellow, whatever shade that is. Yeah, take this one. Now take a pinky finger and just dab it like so.
This is going to make or break my look today.
But don't drag it quickly. धीरे just build the color. You kind of do this stamping motion. Look here.
Ah, okay.
And at the same time, you drag it a little bit. Stamping and dragging. Don't just drag and don't go past your arch of your brow. Okay?
Too
You
late.
just did.
Too late. हाय राम, कितना ब्लेंड करना पड़ेगा जिंदगी में इंसान को.
बहुत blend करना पड़ता है इंसान को.
Okay.
Yeah. So that way, the color which is going in your crease, na, it will blend.
Okay.
It's looking nice. यहाँ से तो it's looking nice. अब I don't know about in person, but it's looking nice.
You should. look so funny when I'm doing makeup. I'm like पूरे करके मैं नीचे चली गई. Look at her, she's doing it like her. She always does it.
हर टाइम आई मेकअप के बाद do you think काजल लगाना ही चाहिए कि it's not a mandate?
It's not necessary. I mean, जब आपका मन करे आप लगा सकते हो. But there are few looks which you know need that fullness. You know. Chalo. Now I want you to take that loose powder which you have.
वो sponge पे ना, the one you asked me to take.
And slightly dab it underneath your eyes and take it here so that you have a sharp edge.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I believe you have this Maybelline contour kit, if I'm not wrong. So let's do a little bit of face. So I want you to grab, show me. There's no contour shade.
I've never contoured in my life.
Okay, so not a problem. Take the brush, the fluffy brush you have, and open your Revolution वाला palette. जो दो ऊपर brown shade है ना, ये और ये को mix कर ले. Okay, now pinch your brush because you have a big brush ना. Pinch it like
And mix it. तो ये लिया, फिर dust करके दूसरे में डालूं.
And now very slightly just put it here.
I like these makeup hacks, dude. So you just have to pinch your brush if you don't have a contour brush.
And then round. See?
So are you telling me I can use my eyeshadow palette even as a contour?
Like I would like you to buy one.
हाँ मतलब
And-
चलता है ना जब नहीं है तो.
But I'm not too sure if it's the right brown shade, but we can work with it.
I like all this जुगाड़ू stuff. मतलब हर चीज you don't need to buy in life. Now for you guys it makes sense if you're a makeup blogger. But if college going girls, if they don't have too much money to invest in makeup, then they can do this kind of जुगाड़ है ना.
Yeah, definitely. And now let's do some blush.
Is blush mandatory? Should I skip it?
No, you have to put blush. It looks really nice.
Okay.
So just put your fingers like so, and whatever is left, you'll start your blush from there.
You know when मैं शुरू में मेरे get ready with me's करती थी and I used to shoot them so funnily because I didn't know makeup, so I would do whatever I knew. So my subscribers just so sweetly would comment and tell me, tap the brush, remove the extra product in comments.
Okay, now I want you to take your beauty sponge and dab on your blush so that it's nicely blended and melted in your skin. Okay, I was asking you, do you want to do nose contour?
I don't mind.
Now dip your brush in the dark brown shade. Hold your brush like so, and I'm only moving my fingers, not moving my hand. See?
Yeah. And you're doing it on the side, not on the top.
No, you can't. You have to do it on the side. You can't do it on the top.
See, you have to tell me all these basic things. मैं top पे कर लेती अभी, मुझे क्या पता.
यहाँ पे जो साइड लाइन होती है ना, जो ये दो ऐसे जा रही है, ये यहाँ पे इसको डार्क करते हैं अपन, so that it looks snatched.
Got it.
And यहाँ पे we'll highlight. हाँ, थोड़ा और ऊपर आ सकते हो आप. Yeah. If this will make your this will make your nose look very lifted and small and very gorgeous.
I'm sorry.
different?
I need to take a second to just like acknowledge that this contour really works, dude. Oh wow.
The highlighter, and again take that brush and just wipe it a little bit onto your paper towel. Now take and dip it in your highlighter right here. It's looking good, gorgeous.
It's looking good, dude. Nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Of course, I can see some mistakes. Like this side is very dark and this side is light. But ठीक है. For the first time, it's not bad. Wow, dude, I love this makeup. My face is glowing like all makeup bloggers. Like glowing from every corner. यहाँ. Nice, dude. Except for जो eyes में मैंने जो किया है.
You can work on that for sure. Otherwise, the makeup, yeah, is looking really nice. So I hope you learned something today. I really enjoyed shooting with you.
And I enjoyed learning from you. Thank you so much, Gagan. You are like such a patient teacher. Not once did you shout at me.
Lovely. I enjoyed a lot.
And guys, हम लोग ये जो collab कर रहे हैं, so we are going to do another video for her channel, which is a super fun video. You want to tell them what it is?
Yeah, it's a social media tag, and we're going to be answering few questions about social media. Head to my channel, and yeah, if you guys want to know all the details about the products we used,
yeah,
that will be in the description box. So I think
yes, we will put the link to all products used in the description below of hers and mine. And yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Comment करके मुझे बताओ तुम्हें कैसा लगा. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you guys real soon. You do not forget to keep it spunky, keep it real. Bye bye.